Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log onto your Stripe account from your Gonje homepage. Of course, to start with we have to log into it by simply going to sign in from our marketplace landing page and signing in with our username and password, like so. We then need to click on our vendor panel and that takes us to our home page, our dashboard. And I apologize for this transition. From your home page as a vendor, we need to click on our system info, seller info here. And from here, we can go down to this point here, Stripe Connect. Now, everyone else can be clicking on connect to Stripe account. I've already started this process and I'll show you from the start though. From here, we put in our email address, like so. We create a password for ourselves. And we use our Authenticator app to get to the next portion. From here, we enter our one-time password to log in. We create our new account. And from here, I shall show you this. From now on, this is where you shall get to. We're going to create a new business. The most important piece here is the type of business. The vast majority of you guys are going to be individual and sole traders, so we need to select this and not company. This allows us to pick whether or not we have an ABN or not. And then continue. First, we put in our company name. I should be representing Gonje here, so I should put in Gonje. We put in our ABN. Our legal business name, which is also Gonje. Our business address. We put in our business phone number. We select our industry, which is going to be caterers for the most part. For our business website, from our business website, we can select our marketplace through the use of our storefront. and copy it in there. Providing product details. Put in our names. Our email address. Our home address, which can be the same as your business address, like this. Our phone number for the business, for our home phone. Now we enter in our banking details. Now we check over our public details for the customer. This part here is all about the statements for what you want to show up on your customer's bank and credit card statements. And the number your customers can call for support. As well as the option whether or not to show your number on the receipts and the invoices. This part's about whether or not we want Stripe to do some taxes for us automatically, but we can opt out of that quite easily. At this point, we check to see if all our details are correct before we move on. And like that, Stripe has been successfully connected to our store. However, that's not quite the end of it. At this point, we need to go to our email addresses and verify that our Stripe account is correct. As we can see here, we need to update our information. So we must log in once more. Through a verification code sent to your phone number. From here, you should need to verify your identity with Stripe, utilizing either a picture of your driver's license or something similar to verify that you are who you are. Thanks for listening.